Hello everybody, I am joined by Kristen Bicknell. Now you, without a doubt, have what looks to be the most fun table in the room, and let's just say Neil Farrell's there too, so like between the two of you that might be why?
Maybe. I don't know if I want to take credit or give it to Feraldo, but yeah, we're having fun.
Yeah, well I've heard recently now of this thing, which is a Skittle bomb. I've done my fair share of drinking in this lifetime. I've never heard of this before. What is a Skittle bomb?
I have no idea. Can I blame it on Shirley?
Absolutely.
Yeah, the PokerNews reporter Shirley.
Drunk, by the way. She needs a program.
She might be, yeah. I'm pretty sure she's the one who recommended it. I have no idea. I'm
Skittle
just trying to
bombs.
play poker and play poker well.
Yeah, Google. Okay, well, you know, in honor of it being day 1A, I wanted to just keep things fun and spicy. It's a little game we call This or That, and it's exactly what it sounds like.
Okay, I love playing games. Let's go.
Perfect. All right, here we go. Twitter or Insta?
Twitter.
GIF or GIF?
What is a GIF?
Apparently, it's the way that some people say GIF.
Oh.
So GIF.
GIF.
Oh, now she's gonna call it a GIF. Got it. Okay, good. Get slow rolled or get bluffed?
Slow rolled.
Okay. Kindle or books?
Kindle. No, wait, book. I don't know. Kindle.
Depends. Either way.
Yeah.
Okay, we can go either way. Netflix or YouTube? Don't look.
YouTube?
Cardio or weights? She was in the gym working on her fitness.
Weights.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
weights for sure. Cardio sucks.
Gosh,
I'm stronger than I look.
That's like the best. That's going to be the title of this video. Music or podcasts?
Podcasts.
Hero.
I like karaoke and then podcasts.
Oh yeah, actually when I was interviewing Alex, he
Yeah.
said you would know. What's your go-to karaoke song?
For non-blondes, what's up? Yeah.
Oh, you just went up like 1,000 points in my book, and you were already really high. So okay, good. I love it. Okay, Skittle bomb or Jaeger bomb?
Skittle bomb.
Over jam or thin bet for value?
Thin bet for value. Yeah.
It's probably the smartest choice, but
Yeah,
I
although
heard you're not always making that choice.
I value town myself all the time, so I try.
Okay, now this one you might not know, but I just am really taking a leap of faith.
Okay.
What does the fox say, or turn down for what?
What?
Great.
Let's just go with the fox. Cause
What does the fox say? Oh, now this one's very specifically just for you. Bieber, Gomez, or Baldwin?
Bieber. Of
No, but like
course.
for Bieber, Gomez or Baldwin?
I don't get it.
Okay, so Bieber had a girlfriend. Her name was Selena Gomez, and
Okay.
now he has a fiance. Her name is
Wow, he's engaged.
someone Baldwin. Yeah.
So what am I picking?
Okay, so I guess maybe you should just pick Bicknell in that spot.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bieber with Bicknell and Skittle bombs and all the things, and turn down for what, or the fox says that, and I honestly we're gonna be doing Skittle bombs together after this and shoving tons of blinds into whatever, because thin bet for value is a big waste at this point in the tournament. Kristen Bicknell, are you going to the Caribbean?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so we'll plan a really serious interview also for the Caribbean.
I like that.
But for now, this is what Rozvadov has. You guys are with us here on PokerNews.com.